Hello everyone, I am the CEO of mtfe Group. My name is Benjamin. Founded in 2015, Metaverse Foreign Group Inc. has been deeply engaged in the European and American markets for more than 3 years and has entered Asia, Africa and Latin America for more than 2 years. Since its establishment, the group has been adhering to the purpose of providing investors with the best investment advisory service experience and has created rich returns to the majority of the investors. Year to date in 2022 alone, it has generated more than $25 million in profit for clients. The group added 310,000 new customers last year with a total transaction volume of more than 20 million and a transaction amount of $200 billion US. It has successfully ranked amongst the top traders in the industry. At present, investors have spread across hundreds of countries in Asia, Europe, Africa, South America and North America. In order to better serve investors, we have opened more than 30 offline operational service centres in many countries around the world this year. Of course, we are located at Woodbine Avenue in Ontario. The head office has also carried out a new renovation and professional service team training in order to provide investors with perfect and professional services. In the next 10 years, mtfe Group plans to open more than 300 offline service centres in each country to provide investors with a more convenient service experience. The culture and values of a corporation are the internal life force of a corporation. For all of the staff of the group, we have always required time and energy to go to the community, serve the society and help those poor and vulnerable groups affected by the pandemic or other factors to the best of our ability, and pass our love to more people. The board of directors of the group had a four-sided layout of AI intelligent trading 5 years ago. After years of close cooperation and dedicated research and development between the company's technical department and the trading team, the investment wisdom and trading logic of